Hi. No, hi. Today we're going to show you how we made this simple tablet animation stand so you can make your own stop motion animations at school or at home that are nice and steady and nice and smooth. Ta-da! As you can see, we're supporting the screen side with these supports on the side so we can still access the screen. We've got a little bit of support at the sides here just to stop it slipping, sideways. But really importantly, we have a bit of a bigger, sturdy support in the middle back here. Notice that it's not blocking the camera here or here. And we've just made it a bit more sturdier because it's just the one support. It's taking a little bit more weight. You can also get a bit of angle on your shots as well, just by moving the support here, and my camera's up here, and I can get a bit of an angle there, and that means I'll see my character a little bit better. And if we flip it, we can get the camera down low and angle it a little bit this way, so the camera's looking up a little bit, and it's not just looking directly at the ground or at the table. One of the great things about building on a Lego mat or building a base for your stand is you can slide it into the position that you want nice and smoothly and set up the shot that you want for your animation. Good luck with your stand making and good luck with your animations.